Today, I'll show you how to create a bold and energetic electric shock text reveal animation using the electric showdown effect. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap text and then tap add text. Type in the title or caption that you want to animate. Now, head to the font tab and choose a style that fits the electric theme. Bold, sharp, or high contrast fonts usually look the best for this effect. Once your text is ready, tap the Animation tab. Inside the In section, scroll until you find Electric Showdown. Tap on it, and you'll see your text appear with a dramatic electric shock burst, very dynamic and attention grabbing. Now adjust the duration slider to control how strong or subtle the effect feels. Slide right for a slower, more dramatic electric reveal. Slide left for a quick, impactful burst. Preview it, tweak the timing, and match it to your edit's rhythm. And that's it. You've created an electric shock text reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.